Here at TravelRoute3.com, we literally have tens of thousands of individually unique vintage ads going back to the 1800s. These are just a few of our loose ones. But we offer 5 different frame colors. So you choose the color for your frame, and then you choose from 28 colors for your mat. That's 140 different color combinations to match your decor. And then we'll get it put together and shipped to you priority mail very quickly. All you've got to do is unpack it from the box and display it on your wall immediately. So what can we create for you? We can do all kinds of combinations, vintage postcards, vintage pictures. We can do custom frames like this. This is something that's one of my favorites, hangs here in my office. But it's a late 40s Buick dash clock, along with a mailer that the Christie Buick Company sent out in the late 40s to their customers, and then a 48, 49 Buick shop manual. It's all in a lighted case. The clock is quartz movement and keeps good time. Custom built frame. But again, we can do that. We can also create something like this. This is a 64, 65, and 66 Thunderbird combination. But again, we can include your personal photographs or other memorabilia along with a vintage ad. We offer volume discounts if you want to order more than one ad. And again, we're going to be listing literally tens of thousands of vintage ads in the coming months and years. And so if you don't see something that you're looking for, let us know. We'll do our best to help you find whatever it is that's special for you. Thank you.